पर हमले 5 रोज के लिए मौखर कर दिए हैं। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान के साथ 2 रोज से तामीरी बातचीत जारी है, जिसके बाद हमले मौखर करने का फैसला हुआ। मुज़ाकरात पूरा हफ्ता जारी रहेंगे। मीडिया से बातचीत में यह भी दावा किया कि ईरान के साथ मुज़ाकरात में 15 निकात पर इत्तेफाक हो चुका। ईरान कभी एटमी हथियार नहीं बनाएगा। यूरेनियम अफजूदगी बंद करने के साथ साथ अफजूदा शुदा यूरेनियम भी हवाले करना होगी। ट्रंप ने यह दावा किया कि मुज़ाकरात के लिए ईरान की जानिब से राबता किया गया। वाज़े किया कि डील ना हुई तो बमबारी के सिवा कोई रास्ता नहीं होगा।
Tomorrow morning sometime, their time, we were expected to blow up their largest electric generating plants that cost over $10 billion to build. It's a very good one. There was no dearth of money. And one shot, it's gone. It collapses. Why would they want that? So they called. I didn't call. They called. They want to make a deal. And we are very willing to make a deal. It's got to be a good deal. Many, like 15 points. 15 points. Well, they're not going to have a nuclear weapon. That's number one. That's number 1, 2, and 3. They will never have a nuclear weapon.
They said yes to that?
They've agreed to that. We want to see no nuclear bomb, no nuclear weapon, not even close to it. And we want no enrichment. But we also want the enriched uranium. If this happens, it's a great start for Iran to build itself back, and it's everything.